Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear Venerable Sangha, today is the fourth day of our meditation program. So another 6 more days for us to continue our practice. We understand the Venerables and also meditators, they are more effortful for this meditation practice. We feel they focus and continue practice. They themselves understand and practice. The practice is benefit for ourselves, not for others. Teachers also, they are happy if you are developed, but mainly for yourself. So you understand it and practice, have to continue this practice. So the Buddha time, Buddha got various disciples. And also Buddha also got some of the karma results. Even though Buddha had been fulfilling all the paramis during the long period in the samsara, so that Asankhya, that we know that for Asankhya plus 100,000 eons. So longer period, the Buddha had been fulfilling his parami and fully enlightened. Even though some of the difficulties had to face, majority of the difficulties come from his own disciples. You know, the Venerable Devadatta is one of his disciples, not only the disciple, he is one of the relative, very closest relative. He ordained in the Sasana. Sometimes he practiced very well, concentration very well, and also got the psychic powers, but no attainments. Later he got some of the craving for the leadership, because he wanted to become leader, become the Buddha. So that, but the Buddha didn't give any of the leadership. Venerable Sariputta become the chief venerable, Venerable Mahamoggalla, Venerable Mahakashyapa, because Buddha is focusing the venerable qualities and attainments, but Devadatta not yet. So didn't get any of the higher position, angry with the Buddha. Think of that kill the Buddha and become Buddha chief. So that he done lot of things together with King Ajasattu. First he tried to send one of the big elephant we call Nalagiri, drunken elephant, given many toddy or that liquors. So drunken elephant come on the road to kill the Buddha, but Buddha's method couldn't do it. Later, that people who with the bow and arrows organized also didn't work. All of them attained. Then he think, I myself do this work. I myself kill the Buddha. On that occasion, Buddha was in the virtuous peak, Gijjakota. Some of you already been in India, Bodh Gaya and other places. You have seen the Buddha's kuti there in the Gijjakota, virtuous peak of the mountain as like the hawk or that eagle, very big eagle. So that's why it become Gijjakota, virtuous peak. So they have got one of the stone. So Buddha's walking path there under the stone, very big rock, under the big rock walking path. Buddha had been doing walking meditation. Devadatta, he go to the top of the peak of the stone and rock. He bring very big stone to throw the Buddha, very big one. So then he throw it. So he throw aiming to Buddha's head. If it is fall down, Buddha, he had to pass away. Parinibbana. But the Buddha had been fulfilling parami for a longer period. During the parami period, the Buddha had been helping various beings, even the enemies also had been helping. So that various way Buddha had been fulfilling parami as the Bodhisattva. So that earth know it, one of the big stone, big rock from lower there come up and accept this rock which told by the Devadatta. The one small slice of the rock come out and hit the Buddha's that feet, upper part of the foot, Buddha's injured. It start bleeding, some of the swelling. Venerable see it, Venerable got frightened and taken Buddha out there. Buddha said, go to the Jivaka's place. That time the doctor is the Jivaka, the highest one in India. Taken to that place. So doctor says, oh, I can cure it, don't worry. He wrapped a medicine, the ancient way had to keep medicine and wrap it. Some of the herbal medicine. And said, so within one day can cure it. But he had to go to the city for another urgent matter, another sick person. Said, when Bhante, I go to city and in the evening I come to do some more treatment. Go to the city and he done the treatment, then couldn't come because that day the gates closed before the time. Try to come, cannot. So I had to stay inside the city. So Buddha know the time. Buddha said, Venerable Ananda, now remove this medicine in the evening time. Remove the medicine. Venerable Ananda taken out the medicine. Before medicine, Buddha's leg is swollen with many bloods. After removing this medicine, see the Buddha's leg completely recovered. All the blood taken and injured internal blood also come out, everything come out, completely recover. So as like something you apply and later remove it. Similarly, Buddha's leg completely comfortable and that removed it. All the blood and things. Swelling also gone. So that Jivaka had been thinking how to help but no way. Next day morning, Jivaka know this medicine so strong, if keep whole night, many pain. Buddha is more pain, more difficulties. So Jivaka know it. But Buddha know right time because Buddha know everything in the world. That's why Buddha asked Venerable Ananda to remove it. Next day come and ask, Bhante, is it painful, that medicine? Buddha said, no. All the painfulness I removed under the Bodhi tree when I attained path portions. So Buddha explained that painfulness that removed because of I complete my journey, I complete my path of practice. This kind of thing Buddha had been explaining to the Jivaka, and many of the devotees and venerables also gather on that time. Buddha taken one small verse for preaching Dhamma. Gathaddino visokassa vipamuttassa sabbadi sabbagantappahinassa parilaho navicchati. The Buddha explaining, Gathaddino visokassa, the sorrow path, non-sorrow place Buddha already achieved. The vipamuttassa sabbadi, all the things what had to remove, already removed. Gantappahinasa, sabba gantappahinasa, all the ganta, all the harmful things Buddha already removed. Parilahona vidyate, because of that I don't have any burning or any painful sensation. All the painful sensations I removed under the Bodhi tree. So Buddha had been explaining so that we understand our painfulness, our difficulties all depend on some of our mental weaknesses. When the mental weaknesses disappear, painfulness disappear. If you have mindfulness, painfulness disappear. If you have concentration, painfulness disappear. If you have wisdom, deeper wisdom, painfulness disappear. If you have some of the deeper mentalities, painfulness disappears. So Buddha says that Buddha already completed. So the meditation path also doing it. Meditation path, when you are practicing, again practicing, your mindfulness growing up. You can stay whole day mindfully. Concentration growing up. You can stay whole day together with the concentration. Whatever you do, concentration comes. The wisdom growing up. You can stay with the wisdom, all the things, what you are doing, what you are talking, what you are thinking, all wiseful. Wisdom grow up. Wisdom is stabilizing. So that these things come up with the meditation practice. So we had to train this meditation practice effortfully. We know last few days you all had been doing. So had to do is continuously until we stabilize fully of our mental factors, mindfulness, concentration, wisdom, and other factors. Then your difficulties, hindrances, all vanish. Your path is comfortable. So Buddha had been explaining. So meditation is one of the very important path. We all determined to continue our meditation practice. The Buddha explained there Buddha's own practice. Buddha complete his all the practice until that the sorrowless, no sorrow. That means Nibbana. Until Nibbana, Buddha had been practicing. Buddha said, Buddha completed. Here we are not going to explain about the Nibbana. So that, but we understand Buddha is complete. And also all the other weaknesses, Buddha had been removed. All the other unnecessary things, that means greed or other unnecessary things, all the things removed. Also Buddha said. And also all the ganthas, Buddha had been removed. Ganthas means also some of the harmful things to the life. Buddha says, I remove. There are 4 types ganthas. First one is abhijja. Abhijja is that strong craving. Craving is harmful for life. Whatever we are craving is harmful. That we are craving for our robes, ball, craving for our food, craving for our medicine, also harmful. So even our food also we are craving is harmful. We need food for body, so we have to understand, we have to contemplate and eat. If you are craving is harmful. But that strongest craving is more harmful. Abhijja is the strongest one. We are thinking of others, that others' comfortableness we are thinking to take to me. Others have good things, we think, oh, I want to take it. Sometimes we are requesting, please give me this good thing, I want it. And also sometimes do some other tricks to take it. It's harmful. It's called abhijja. Some are stealing even. So this abhijja is harmful. So material, so various type, we are craving others one. So this focusing is harmful for life. Craving, strong craving is harmful for life. Even small craving also harmful, big craving more harmful. Buddha says, I remove it. And another one is hatred. Vyapada, kanta. Hatred or that anger is also harmful. If we are angry with the outsiders, angry with our own fellow practitioners, it is harmful. Practice in development not easy. We should not keep this angry. We have to keep loving kindness, even our enemies. Together with our enemies also we have to keep the loving kindness. That yourself keep the loving kindness, your fellow practitioners and enemies all together you have to keep the loving kindness. Some are going to harmful for you, you still have to keep loving kindness. Still you have to help for them. That if difficult to help, at least keep the good mind with them. So this way, Vyapada, hatred, we should not keep for the ordination practice. It is harmful. Completely, it's harmful. We determine every day. Even someone do the bad thing to me, even kill me, I won't harmful for them. I won't have the hatred for them. So these mentalities we have to train. Vyapada. Another one is the Silabbata Paramasa. Is we call the wrong sila practice, moral practice. Practice which Buddha teaches is correct one. Some are external practice, like the some are living as like the goat, cow, this kind of training, moral training. Outside they see like the special, but it is harmful because the wrong view is increasing. So I am right one, I am the correct one, this wrong view is stronger. So this wrong view harmful for the practice. Buddha said, I remove it. And another one is idang satya binivesana kanta. Means sometimes that I strongly hold this one is the only truth. Strongly hold this one only truth. Even the truthful thing also we strongly hold. Sometimes non-truthful thing also I think is the real one, is the correct one, strongly hold it. So I know some Dhamma factors, I think this only correct things. I know this thing, this is the only correct thing, no other thing, like the strongly hold. This is the truth one. So but maybe my understanding sometimes correct, but sometimes wrong. Sometimes even correct also, holding is harmful. So that some people, they come to you and you explain Dhamma, is correct thing. But they say, no, this one not correct one. You know this is correct one, but you are insist, no, this is the only correct thing. You try to argue. It is not good. If they cannot accept, we have to understand they are not in the correct condition to accept. We keep silent. So this way, we should not hold even the truthful things and non-truthful thing also we should not hold. You know the some of the venerable, we know they are holding objects. Oh, I know this one. This one is the only correct things. This is harmful. So that we have to be equanimity, even the truthful or even the right things. So Buddha says those gantas or those difficulties I already removed. Because of that I already removed all the painfulness. So that we ordain one, also we have to train ourselves and develop our mentalities to the deepest level of the mindfulness, deepest level of the concentration, deepest level of the wisdom. Then we can overcome all our difficulties. We have some questions to answer. Venerable Aryadasana, that he who had been practicing the Myanmar, now people of our Sri Lankan Venerable, they are practicing in Power Meditation Center. So that Venerable had sent some questions. So because some of the here not in our yoga ashrama, some outsiders, they are criticizing that those rupa kalapas, rupa, these things cannot see. This is only the mental imaginations. So this kind of thing, please Bhante explain for the Venerables. Venerable had been explaining. He also explaining that in the Visuddhimagga also explaining that some of the places in Dhamma explaining these rupas had to focus. But outside some they says in the Buddha's teaching not to teach it. It is not necessary to focus this ultimate materiality. That we have to understand our teachers, Aryadhamma Mahathera, well known all the Tripitakas, but follow these methods and accept all these methods means Mahathera's knowledge is very deep. Shadoji also not simply telling these things, also had been very well learned. All the Tripitaka also well learned. Then only Shadoji is also teaching this meditation. So if we are not accepting means we are not accepting the Aridham Mahathera, not accepting Shadoji means we not accept all the Buddha's teachings. It is harmful for us. Maybe I cannot see, it is one thing. But our respectfulness we have to keep it. In the beginning period of our ordination, they are criticizing this Visuddhi Magga is not correct, that Abhidhamma is not correct. So mentally, I didn't accept it. Mentally, we understood, no, definitely cannot be it. I never read that time, the Visuddhi Magga also and the Abhidhamma also, never read. But mentally reject his idea, mentally think, oh, why so many venerable had been learning and teaching these things, definitely this should be correct. So this kind of confidence we had, we never criticize this thing, we never have the wrong mind for this Dhamma. So like that, maybe we not read it, so that is one thing. So another thing is, some people, they never read also, they hear from others that this thing no good, they are here, then again they are telling these things. Also can happen, but we should not angry with them. It is also one thing in the world. Correcting the Buddha's teaching and other good teachers' teaching is correcting. Also something in the world. Some are criticizing, this thing was to be there. We should not angry with them. We should keep compassion with them and we keep good mind with these people. If possible, we correct them. If not, we keep silent. So that practicing method is so deep, it is that true. But here we are not going to explain all these things. Actually, if it is proof, if you want to explain, it takes longer time. Even though briefly we are explaining. Simple example we explain. We take the material that we like some people, very beautiful person, we like it. We say it is anicca, but you cannot remove your defilements. You are craving that you cannot remove because you are focusing this person is anicca, but not works. Some other material like the gems, gold, also we know very valuable thing. You are telling that it is anicca, you still cannot remove it because still you are craving it. But your mind, you understand small particles there in this body. Person, body, whole head and head hairs and whole body, small particles, we focus. So then we understand whole body, small particles, naturally our craving removed it. Again, we focus on small particle, naturally our craving removed. And also gold, we focus, naturally our craving removed. So this way that we have to understand ultimate truth, ultimate material, if you see, very easily remove the defilements. If you not see ultimate, general only you practice, definitely you cannot remove your defilements. Today little bit subsiding, but tomorrow again come back. But ultimate one, very important. One of the example we remembered when we are in the power meditation, one of the venerable, in the power teaching, one of the venerables, he had been practicing very well. He go and report to the Shadoji, Bhante, the meditation is clear for me, but I cannot see the particle. I see whole body disappear, whole body only full brightness, but not particles. Shadoji encouraged him that please see under this brightness you can see the particles. So 2 or 3 days he had been trying. So after that said, yes Bhante, we got it. Under the lights appear in the particles. Now can see the particles whole body. then understand the concentration or deep concentration or deep brightness is necessary to understand it. Even some people, the brightness have also some cannot get immediately. They have to follow the teachers and guidance. Then only ultimate materiality comes up. So this way we have to train ourselves to have the deeper concentration, deeper that focusing, deeper elementary practice. Then elements appearing so that life is completely different. Before element appearing, defilements many. After elements appearing, defilement all wash away, disappear. Very comfortable. Now you understand, even not focusing anicca dukkha anatta, only ultimate materiality, if you got it, so definitely you feel very, very comfortable, defilements very far away. So valuable, so useful to remove our defilements, only material focus, but some other focusing also more supportive. So therefore that we understand that way our teachers telling is correct. Shadoji and also Mahatheras and other teachers, they are telling is correct, we have to understand. So if anyone tell this is wrong, we should not accept it. If you accept it is harmful for us. If you want to accept it, better investigate it. Yourself practice and see. If not, you can investigate with other experienced venerable or experienced meditators and that few of the people together investigate, then you can accept. This is the correct way, this is the science way, that you not directly accept, you are together with the proof you accept. This is science way. If not, you are that wrong view person, it is harmful for you. So that you yourself practice and see whether you can, or that you go to the other venerable who had the experience, discuss with them, again discuss, then understand, then you prove it. Like that is better. That keeping a wrong view is no good. If you feel if you get this kind of teaching or teachers wrong view person, better don't read it. That means they are no experienced one. That means they are not the correct teachers. Correct teachers all the time had to accept the ultimate things. So that means experienced one, they accept the ultimate things. So they are real one. So you have to understand real practice and based on the ultimate mentality and materialities. So the next part of the question, also venerable, is explaining that some they doubtful of the seeing past lives. This is not necessary to see past life. They are doubtful that Shadow is teaching, not in our monasteries. Some of the outsiders, they are saying this common thing. They are criticizing. It's common thing is in the world. So we should not worry about it. But we have to understand this is true. That some people very rarely not necessary to see that correct. Some they say it's not necessary to see past life. If you see present mentality, materiality, it is enough. Some they says also correct. Some extent is correct, but need very high parami. Very high parami people, they can practice little bit and they can attain path prosham. So that in the Buddhist time, when we are categorize Uggatitanyo, Vipanyitanyo, they are little bit only Dhamma they listen, and little bit only longer, maybe 1-2 hour listen, they attain. So like that, some are very high parami. So they don't need much things, they practice little bit present mentality, materiality, they can attain. So then recently we heard one of the Indian boy, in his age 7, his very deep knowledge of the astrology, very deep knowledge. So that because of past lives, his knowledge come naturally. So such a one very rare in the world. But others, they have to go through the subject, they have to learn very well, then only they get this knowledge. So that like the doctors, very rarely in the world, some are in age 7, 8, they can teach, they can do the treatment, also effective, but not learn. But other doctors, all they had to go through the course. go through the course only, they get this ability to give these treatments. Similarly, meditation practice also, that simply we do little bit, we do our wisdom little bit better, but we do broadly our wisdom more and more deeper. So that if anyone says cannot see past life, means it is wrong view. Actually, we forget about Buddha's teaching. We think about the hypnotism in the world, that they are not they don't have the concentration, they never practice meditation. Some of the people, they go for the psychiatrists who have the experience, they take them slowly backward. So among them, many of them, we call hypnotism. So they take slowly they backward and go to the past life. If they have the wrong karmas, bad thing, they correct it, they recover it. Some of them, they recover it. You see, even the external subject, external also, that science also can do it. Why this Buddhist practice cannot see it? It is our wrong view. It is our wrong view. So we have to understand. So there is concentration together, very easy this work. If no concentration also can do, but very rarely some people like hypnotism. But if concentration together, very easy to do. So that in our nunnery, one of the nun, also she had been practicing earlier the concentration, but later some difficulties, karma vipakas for her, not easily practiced. We know that her concentration not enough to see past life, but to overcome that this support you. So we encourage, little bit try to focus your backward, then go backward up to the, if possible, up to the past life. So that she bit interested and focus backward and go up to the mother's womb inside. She said, oh, I cannot go backward, but inside mother womb, so very easy to get the deeper concentration for me. Very deep now, very comfortable now. I feel very easy to meditate now. My concentration come back very easily meditate. You can see this kind of condition, even they are available when we see past and futures. That you know that some of the suttas also, Vitakka Santana, this kind of suttas also explaining that if you are now very difficult with the defilements, if you go backward up to the good condition, good level, so then you feel again very comfortable. Today very difficult, but day before yesterday, few days before, 3-4 days you are very comfortable. On that you go up to that comfortable place, you feel very comfortable. Again come back and meditate. This kind of thing in the Dhamma explaining. So that if you can see past life is more useful. We forget about the past life. If anyone can focus his life from birth or before conceivement and birth and continuously until 100 years, they can focus 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If they can focus mind very wider, because can see all things of life. Similarly, past life also same thing, future also same thing. So it is so useful if anyone train. So need concentration. After concentration, very easier do this work. Psychic power also can do this work. Concentration also can do the brief way, general way can train it. So meditators have to train it. You know the Avaridhamma Mahathera. When he was meditating in Pava monastery, so I got chance to translate. That time even English also not fluent, but got chance to do it. So then the Mahathera, Shadoji come ask Mahathera to see the past life. Very clear, Mahathera. Same past life, very clear. Because concentration very deep. Ask Mahathera to see the future also. Mahathera see future, few life also very clear. And ask Mahathera to continue and see the ending of the samsara. Also Mahathera focus and says very clear 1800 lives. So like that. Because of the concentration. But on that time we didn't tell others because it's not suitable. After Mahathira's passing away, only we explain these things. So like that, we have to understand concentrated one very easily do it, but non-concentration one also some extent can do, so that you can experiment yourself. Sometimes meditation very difficult, little bit focus backward, backward, backward. When you go to some certain age, you feel very comfortable. If you go to the sometimes up to the mother's womb, you feel very comfortable like that. There are very big difference that meditators, they are the very big difference. Concentration go very deeper, concentration go very wider when you're focusing it. So it's so useful. So that have to understand, but others criticizing, we have to ignore. We have to keep the compassion for them because their meditation energy is very weak. That's why they can't do it. But when the meditation energy is stronger, definitely can do it. So you yourself can experiment later when the concentration deeper, very comfortable, very brighter. So when you finish your Nama and Rupa, you get chance to see it. That time you yourself get the confidence, can do it. So these questions useful for all the meditators. So that we wish all the venerables to continue this practice, and we wish all of you continuously keep this silent practice and also energetic practice and experience the calmness, comfortableness and brightness, and also later experience the absorption and experience the jhana concentration and vipassana concentrations. Wish all of you fulfill all the practice and attain all the path, fruitions and nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idang mo nyate nam hotu sukita ontu nyatayo. Idang mo nyate nam hotu sukita ontu nyatayo. Idang mo nyate nam hotu sukita ontu nyatayo. Etavata jamme sambatam punya sampadam. Sabbe deva anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe sattha anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Akasattha ca bhummatta devanaga mahiddhika. Punyantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sasanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha desanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha savakam. Cirang rakkantu mamparante. Asming vihare charame adivatta ca devata. Anumoditva imam punyang rakkantu jina sasanam. Sabbe satta ca majjata hita ca ahita ca me. Anumoditva imam punyam bhujjantu amatam padam. Himina punya kammena mame bala samagamo. Satan samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Himina punya kammena mame bala Satan samagamo to yava nibbana pattaya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo. Satan samagamo to yava nibbana pattaya. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya buddham pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya dhammam pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattaya sangham pujemi. Addha imaya patipattaya jati jara maranam ma parimuncissami. Kaina vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. Acchayam kamame bante bhuri panya tathagata. Kaina vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. Acchayam kamame dhamma sandittika kalika. Kaina vaca cittena pamadena maya katam. අජ්ජයං කම මේ සංඝ පුඤ්ඤක්කෙත්ත අනුත්තර සාදු සාදු